Welding adapters are simple once you know what to look for. First, we have to check a few things. Start with your welding user manual. It will specify the minimum power requirement and the maximum your machine can handle. Most welders allow you to adjust the power using a dial or control knob. For projects not done in the warehouse, you may need an adapter to connect to your power setup. Most welders use one of two different plugs, a NEMA 650 for newer welders or a NEMA 1050 for older welders. Most homes don't have a welder outlet, but you may have a NEMA 1430 dryer outlet or a NEMA 1450 range outlet that you can adapt your welder to. Here's where we come in. We have a few different adapter options that you can use. WD 1430 650, WD 1450 1050, WD 1450 650, WD 1430 650-018, and WDL 1430 650-018. When searching for welder adapters on acworks.com, there are two ways you can do it. In our menu, you can click Products by Category, then click the welder icon. Otherwise, on this Products by Category page, you can click the View All Products button and use our filtering system to select the plug end and receptacle end you need for your setup. We hope that this helps you in your next welding project. When it comes to power solutions, we have everything you need at AC Works. Subscribe for more related videos, and we'll see you in the next one.